What's up, people? It's the 18th of October 2014. Yes, Napa. We're still doing it. It's still doing it, man. Check it out. Check it out.
The girls come running, they leave their boyfriends. We in here to get drunk, party and shit. So I think I'm rocking the mic, but I'm having too much fun and everybody hype. Not a care in the world, I'm here with my girl and the man there too. We getting loud over here. Go shorty, party like it's your birthday. I let you all know I'm in here to flow, and I will not go. I got a bottle of Mo, I don't drink it slow. I can't stop when I start to move. I got my dancing shoes. I'm love the way wherever we go, and if the night feels right, then it's down to the floor.
I got what you want, I got what you need. All I wanna know is will you party with me? So baby, move like a rock star. Shake all the hot stuff. We're sweating.
Yo, Fantasy Boat Party, it's me, it's Marshall. We're up on the boat. I got VK, guest DJ, representing Kaluaba. Yo, VK, welcome back. What do you think of Fantasy Boat Party?
Fantasy Boat Party, it's still October. It's going mad, more than 100 people on the boat. Come check it out next year. When you're back here, 2015, be here.
Boom, big things. And don't forget, subscribe. It's there somewhere.
I feel it, I got the power. I'm a dreaming every hour. It's like I need it, it's getting louder. I can hear it, now that's power. I'm excited and I want it. Give you what you want, you won't be disappointed. Take it to the top, I'm gonna see you around the world. You're in another league compared to other girls. You're beautiful, so amazing, so cute, and you're my favorite. Let me take you, hold my hand, we can go to other lands. That sounds like a plan. Your power excites me. When you hold me, baby, hold me tightly. You're smoking, red hot. Baby, come on, give me everything that you got.
Blanco, how you doing?
I'm feeling good.
What do you think of the Fantasy Boat Party?
Well, it's middle October. I'm in my shorts, my flip-flops, and I'm living the fantasy, baby. Fantasy Boat Party.
I feel like I'm in a rush and I know time is slowing down for us anymore. Yeah, I feel like I'm in a rush, but don't slow down for us anymore. Oh yeah, they want it, they love it when I get on it. We gonna raise it up, so go and fill your cup, feel like $1 million bucks. I'm ready for it. No, I'm ready for anything and for better things, and I'm ready for this life and anything that it brings. Ready for the heat, ready for the beat, ready for whatever that anybody really wanna be giving me. Gonna capture the moment and hold it and squeeze it so tight that I can never let go of it. It's golden, I'm built like a Roman. My flow is so hot that my tongue is scalding. I'm evolving, take it to another level.
Yo, old-time Fantasy Boat Party. George Mavrudi, guest DJ. Cyprus boy and local boys on playing right now.
Like I'm in a rush and I know time is slowing down for us anymore. I feel like I'm in a rush and I know time is slowing down for us anymore. I feel like I'm in a rush and I know time is slowing down.
I got two girls here, just finished the boat party, Fantasy Boat Party. Have a look, let's have a look at your group photo. Look at that.
Amazing.
Right, what do you think of today?
I loved it. I would be here every day. You know, not just one day. We're at end of season, but peak season, I would be going on that boat every day. That is what has made the holiday. Loved it, loved it, loved it.
What did you think of it?
It's like everybody's your friend. You just want to be friends with everybody.
I get pissed and drink.
Yeah.
It's amazing.